Good afternoon, guys. Yes, actually it's close to evening. It's 5:40. Again, I'm starting the vlog very late. Again, I was at work. I've been up since 6 a.m. 6 a.m. I have to think, like, I'm so tired, I don't even know when I woke up. So, today's Thursday. We're going to the Gwennet meet. I've never been there before. And apparently it's much bigger than our usual Tuesday meets. I think that one is in Alpharetta. I heard from Jason that last time somebody either improperly put their NOS, or they were putting too much pressure or too much NOS all at once, so their car blew up and it also damaged another car next to it. I hope, I know this is gonna sound weird, I hope that happens again, but I hope no one gets hurt. So right now I'm on my way home. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, maybe eat something, and then on my way to the show. What's up, Jake?
What's up, man? Oh, you get the camera?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, dude, he's about to film.
What's up, Martin? It's Martin, I work with him. Technically he's my like supervisor, right?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, pretty much. Hey bro, where'd you get this car?
My dad got it a few months back.
Hey, congrats. It looks really nice, bro. It's an Audi TT. TT RS, yeah, don't forget the RS, guys. Damn!
This your sister?
Yeah. It's an all-wheel drive S-Type, so.
What?
Yeah. I'm being dead serious, it's an all-wheel drive.
It is.
It's got a pretty nice exhaust sound to it too. You know, but remember how I took my Honda's muffler off? My sister asked if I could take hers off too. I was like, you know what? I might actually do it. Damn! Oh shit! Alright guys, well that's the end of it pretty much. Everybody's already starting to leave. This is pretty much the outro. Everybody's leaving, I guess. Yeah. So what happened? Someone blow something up? Someone probably blew something up.
It's a BMW for you right there.
So yeah guys, that's the end of it. Pretty much everybody's going home now. We're probably gonna leave in a bit. So thank you guys for watching as always. You know, I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. You know, hopefully we could reach to 100 subscribers. That's what I'm aiming for right now. That's my goal, is to reach to 100 subscribers. Maybe I can get up to 1,000 views by then, or maybe even 2,000 views total. Like, you guys You guys have no idea how much I appreciate your support. Like, I know I say it too much, but you have no idea how much I appreciate support, how much I appreciate the likes and subscribes. Even on social media, like on Instagram and Facebook and all that, you guys give me some likes, you guys give me comments, and like, it really makes me happy. It really makes me happy, and thank you very much. I hope you guys have a great day and a great night. So definitely go ahead and like and subscribe. Definitely go ahead and leave a comment. There's gonna be a lot of more stuff like this to show you guys. Leave a comment, anything. Leave anything comment. If you have any questions, if you have any advice, anything else you want to see, go ahead and leave a comment. Oh, damn. That was a big backfire.